Hello. I'm going to start something new today to explore my more scientific interests in a video series I am going to call Random Baseless Theories. It may be presumptuous to call it a series since this is only the first one, but I'm sure I have a bunch of little ideas I can throw out there, but we'll see. In my first random baseless theory, I am going to ask the question of whether or not the universe is conscious. So my thoughts kind of go as follows. Humans are a product of the universe. The laws and forces of the universe that led to its own existence ultimately led to our existence. Theoretically, all the matter in our bodies was at one point a part of the singularity before the Big Bang. More recently, that matter was processed within stars to produce the elements that we are made of, largely carbon. That is to say that as humans, we are the stars, we are the universe, and the stars and the universe are us. Our existence is therefore self-referencing. Self-referencing is a phenomenon in many fields in which an item refers back to itself. A famous example might be René Magritte's The Treachery of Reason. Also the acronym TLA, which is an acronym for a three-letter acronym. A more accessible example might be what they do in television shows from time to time. In Boston Legal, one of my favorite shows, characters would mention during the show that the show was moving to a new night, or would play the show's theme song during the show. And these are instances where the internal reality of the show was breached to recognize the show for what it is in our exterior reality. Anyway, we typically view the universe as non-sentient. The stars and galaxies don't think for themselves. But because we are also the universe and do think for ourselves, doesn't that mean that the universe is, in some degree, sentient? Without us, the universe would just be, and it wouldn't care one way or the other. But with us in it, the universe is not content to just be. As humans, we strive to understand our existence and the existence of the universe. Since the universe is us and we are the universe, doesn't that mean that the universe itself is trying to figure itself out? In this way, the universe is a self-referencing system because a part of that system, we humans, is looking back on itself, trying to figure itself out. Let's suppose that because humans exist, the universe is a place that supports life, and it is therefore possible that other life exists elsewhere in the universe. The universe being a vast place, this could mean that it is teeming with life. In this vision, life glows from within and along the interwoven strands of matter webbing the universe, like a map of the neurons and synaptic connections in our own brains. Is it possible that through the existence of life, the universe itself is a vast consciousness, albeit vague, disjointed, and vastly dispersed, just trying to answer one question: why am I here? My intent with these questions is mostly to share some thoughts of my own and to maybe make people think, but feel free to share your thoughts and opinions. Should be interesting. Thanks.